Hello, welcome. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning here, thank you for coming back. Today I have for you Lavish. And yes, I'm just kind of banging out the videos today. We're leaving for Chicago this Thursday and I have no idea like what's coming that weekend. I've not gotten so many boxes this month. Like I have so many boxes that are still due to me and I'm just afraid that they're all going to pile up. So here we go. So Lavish Bath Box. Again, I don't remember how much this is. I'll put it on the screen and everything's falling out. So I open it up and this is what I see on top. So we have Lavish and this is the little card, and on the back it tells you all of the products, but it doesn't tell you how much they're worth. It does say June 2019. It does say June 2019, and this says loyal subject reward card. I got a bunch of dust on me from something. Scratch off gently with a coin to reveal your secret prize. So that's kind of cool. So it's just 15% off if I want to shop online. Okay, so if I want to shop on Lavish, like online at Lavish, I get 15% off. All right, so digging in here, I have Blue Blood Salt Scrub. Ooh, that smells really good. It's really pretty. I don't know what that smells like. I smell sugar, so I'm not really sure it smells like anything other than sugar, but it smells good. Let's see, what does this say? This royal blue exfoliating salt scrub will leave you silky, smooth, and scented in a blend of sugar, vanilla, cedar, tonka bean, licorice, patchouli, lavender. I don't smell any of that. Coriander, bergamot, mandarin, and anise. I'm not getting any of those smells. It smells like sugar. So the next thing I am pulling out is this. Ooh, that's pretty. Recess Queen Bath Bomb. And let's see. Yes, Queen Bath Bomb. This meticulously detailed crown bath bomb were made exclusively for Lavish with loads of colors and bio glitter. For true tub time, find your unique scent and blend on the back of the bomb. Okay, let's see. This says it's a blend of pineapple, papaya, guava, orange, apple, apricot, passion fruit, and bubblegum. Hawaiian punch and bubblegum. So that's what that says. Next, we have another bath bomb. Sapphire. Let's see. Maybe this is the... Okay, okay, so I think this is the Crown Jewels Bubble Bar. So it's a bubble bar that is scented in a blend of orchid blossoms and amber. And then the next is, oh, it's a little crushed and it's open, so that's what was falling out of the box all over me. So this is, I'm gonna put it back in here, but that is the Loyals by Lord Record Bath Bomb. Spin the record into your tub for gorgeous glistening water scented in Everessence Moscato, Rose Petal, Fuji Apple, and a crisp pear. And then the last thing I am pulling out here is, ooh, okay. It's a shower gel, but can you see it's like all glitter in there? and it has just like a squirty tube. Royally Clean Shower Gel. I don't know if it's shaking up right. There you go. And that is Royally Clean Shower Gel. Shower yourself in luxury and get royally clean with this bright, glittery shower gel scented in saltwater, ozone, lemon, raspberry, honeydew, blackcurrant, jasmine, and gardenia. Doubles as a bubble bath. So that is cool. I mean, I'm happy with this box. I'm always happy with the Lavish Bath Box. I do wish that they would wrap these things a little better because when I lift it up, it spills like all over the place. But this is the second time I've received a box and the packaging has had a hole in it and it's just kind of gotten all over me, all over the bed. But I mean, other than that, I like Lavish. I mean, I kept it above all the other bath boxes that I was getting at the time. So that's awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and I'll see you next time. Bye.